Hey cousins, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a quick show and tell on this unit that I purchased from Bobbi Boss. This is by their Truly Me Easy Everyday Wear collection, and I have it in the style MLF 593 Malin. I have her in the color number 2, and this is how the inside of the cap construction looks. I really enjoyed the hairline of this wig and how easy it was to apply this unit. Of course, like most units today, you do get your standard 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, and adjustable straps. This wig does come with a little bit of baby hairs in the front. It's not overdone, and you definitely don't have to utilize them if you don't want to. It is designed to be a middle part, so this is how she looks, giving you a little 360 action. And I really like the curls straight out of the package, but of course, we're going to put a little oomph into her. So I'm going to be quiet for a little bit and just show you guys the application process, and then I'll be back.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
So I didn't want any over exaggerated baby hairs, so that's why you see me finessing them as I am, and I do feel like I put the flick of the wrist in on this unit. I love the way these baby hairs came out, very subtle. Now I'm going in with a little bit of pressed powder to just have my parting pronounced, as well as blend the lace in seamlessly with my skin complexion.
Inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me, love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true indeed. And I'm digging you. You make me believe your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on.
So I want you to see how it looks if you manipulate the curls versus how it looks if you don't. This is the finished kind of look that I came up with. The middle part, I wasn't sure if I was feeling the middle part on myself. I always struggle with middle parts on curly wigs. It's usually a hit or miss from my facial features, in my opinion, but I think it looked kind of cute. I was struggling a little bit, but of course I was like, hold on, let me see how this wig will look if I turn it to the side. And just like that, I was like, okay, Malin, I see you. Definitely the perfect everyday unit. The cap construction is big head friendly. I didn't really get any shedding when I was manipulating the curls. I do suggest you use some water and maybe a little bit of mousse when you're doing that. You'll get less shedding and you won't disturb the curl pattern as much. The parting space is very nice. I do wish it was kind of curved. That way it would look a little bit better to the side, but being that it's a straight part, you do have the option of shifting this wig to the left side, to the right side, and of course wearing it in the middle. So let me know your thoughts and opinions about this wig. I'll give her about 7 stars out of 10. She's worth the purchase. Let me know how you feel about this unit, and I'll talk to you guys in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.